ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। Hari Om. We had been seeing Meenakshi Pancharatnam, which was written by Bhagwan Adi Shankaracharya ji, and it is 5 gems, 5 verses in praise of Meenakshi Devi, the one who is described as having fish-like eyes. So now we will see the second and the third verse. मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिराम् मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिराम् पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभाम् पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभाम् मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिराम् पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभाम् मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिराम् पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभाम् शिञ्जन्नूपुरकिङ्किणीमणिधराम् शिञ्जन्नूपुरकिङ्किणीमणिधराम् पद्मप्रभाभासुराम् पद्मप्रभाभासुराम् शिञ्जन्नूपुरकिङ्किणीमणिधराम् पद्मप्रभाभासुराम् सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुताम् सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुताम् वाणीरमासेविताम् वाणीरमासेविताम् सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुताम् वाणीरमासेविताम् सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुताम् वाणीरमासेविताम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहम् कारुण्यवारान्निधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहम् कारुण्यवारान्निधिम् मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिराम् पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभाम् शिञ्जन्नूपुरकिङ्किणीमणिधराम् पद्मप्रभाभासुराम् सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुताम् वाणीरमासेविताम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहम् कारुण्यवारान्निधिम्। श्रीविद्यां शिववामभागनिलयाम् श्रीविद्यां शिववामभागनिलयाम् ह्रीङ्कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलाम् ह्रीङ्कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलाम् श्रीचक्राङ्कितबिन्दुमध्यवसतिम् श्रीचक्राङ्कितबिन्दुमध्यवसतिम् श्रीमत्सभानायिका श्रीमत्सभानायिका श्रीविद्यां शिववामभागनिलयाम् ह्रीङ्कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलाम् Shri Vidyam Shivavamabhaganilayam Shrinkaramantrojvalam Shri Chakrankita Bindu Madhyavasatim Shrimad Naika Shri Chakrankita Bindu Madhyavasatim Shrimad Naika श्रीमच्छण्मुखविघ्नराजजननी श्रीमच्छण्मुखविघ्नराजजननी श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनी श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनी मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिम् श्रीमच्छण्मुखविघ्नराजजननी श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनी श्रीमच्छण्मुखविघ्नराजजननी श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनी मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिम्. We'll see the meaning of this second and third verse. The first verse we saw was describing her Saguna form of Meenakshi Devi with so much splendor that she has, so much shine that she has. Udyad Bhanu Sahasra Koti Sadrasham. She is like the beauty of the 1,000 rising suns, and she is dressed in this sun-colored yellow as well. Now it says, Mukta Hara Lasat Kirita Ruchiram. She is shining like the splendor of pearls that she wears on her crown. Purnendu Vaktra Prabham. And her face shines like the brightness of the full moon. That full moon that can be seen at anywhere in the night. When that full moon is there, you cannot miss that beauty of the full moon. And that moonlight comes to bring light upon the whole area. It brings shine to the whole area. So this, it says that her face shines like that full moon, full of this divine glow, and indicates her supreme grace that she blesses her devotees with. Shinjan Nupura Kinkini Manidhara Padma Prabhabhasura. And on her lotus feet, on her Padma Prabhabhasuram, on her lotus feet are decorated with various anklets, with bells and gems. Shinjan Nupura Kinkini Manidhara. And they are shining like the splendor of the lotus. Sarva Bhishta Phala Pradam Giri Sutam. And who is she? She being that Devi who is like mother. She is the grantor of all wishes. Sarva Bhishta Phala Pradam. Whatever result one seeks, whatever one seeks to be fulfilled, when they request Devi, when they ask Devi, then she is the grantor of all of these wishes. And she is none other than Parvati Devi. She is an avatar of Parvati Devi. So another name for her is Giri Sutam. She is the daughter of Himavan. Himavan, we also know this another name for Parvati Devi then is Girija. So just like Girija, the daughter of Himavan, she also becomes Giri Sutam. She is the daughter of this mountain, Parvati Devi. Vani Rama Sevitam. In the first verse, we saw Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevita Padam, that she is worshipped by Bhagwan Vishnu and Brahmaji. Here we see that she is worshipped by their consorts, by the other two Devis, by Saraswati Devi and Lakshmi Devi. Saraswati Devi here is indicated by Vani. Vani being the goddess of speech. And Rama being the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi Devi. So Vani Rama Sevitam, they both worship her. And this is because we said that Parvati Devi, Meenakshi Devi is the symbol of strength, the symbol of power. And for both of those capacities, for the capacity of speech that we have, to ensure that our speech can be produced well and also has the right way that what is being shared is worthy of being shared, what is being shared is in the right, aligning with one's thoughts, aligning with dharma, then all of that needs that right Vak Shakti. So that comes from Devi, comes from this Meenakshi Devi, comes from Parvati Devi. And also for obtaining wealth in the right means and for the right purpose, all of this needs that same Shakti. So she provides the Shakti for these two capacities. So she is worshipped by Saraswati Devi and Lakshmi Devi. So this is in the second verse. Second verse is describing her form and her capacities, who comes to seek her, who comes to worship her. Then it says, Shri Vidyam Shiva Vama Bhaga Nilayam. She is a manifestation of this supreme knowledge, Shri Vidya. And she is always seated on the left side of Bhagwan Shiva. So she is married to Bhagwan Shiva, being a form of Parvati Devi. So she is always seen with him. And we know that she is none other than him, really, because she comes to merge with him. She comes to be part of him. So she's always seen with him. So we always say that she is seated on the left side of Bhagwan Shiva. Shiva Vama Bhaga Nilayam. Hrinkara Mantrojvalam. And she shines like the sacred syllable of Hrim. Shri Chakrankita Bindu Madhya Vasatim. She resides in the center of that small circle, in the middle of the chakra, of the Shri Chakra. Bindu Madhya Vasatim. There she resides in that Bindu. Srimad Sabha Naika. And she graces the court of the Lord. This being the court of Bhagwan Shiva, she being the queen there, she being the Devi there, she graces that court of the Lord. Srimad Shanmukha Vigna Raja Janani. This is commenting on Parvati Devi being the mother of Shanmukha Bhagwan, of Kartikeya, and Vigna Raja being the mother of Ganesha Bhagwan. So she is the mother of both Kartikeya and Ganeshji. So this is Shanmukha is referring to the six-faced Kartikeya, and Vigna Raja is the one who is the master of all obstacles. This is Ganesha Bhagwan. So she is Janani to both. She is the mother to both Ganesha and Kartikeya. And in this way, she provides the Shakti to face all obstacles, and she provides the divine compassion, being a mother for both of these. She provides that same amount of divine compassion to all of her devotees. So she symbolizes that inner strength, that power, that compassion of a mother that guides devotees in the right direction. And Srimad Jagan Mohini, she is the master of, she enchants the entire world. Srimad Jagan Mohini, she comes to enchant this entire world with her divine beauty. So this verse, again, we see about her various attributes, more about her capacity and the way that she is described. and why she is worshipped, we see in this verse. So we'll go ahead and chant these two verses together. मुक्ताहारलसत्किरीटरुचिरां पूर्णेन्दुवक्त्रप्रभां शिञ्जन्नूपुरकिङ्किणीमणिधरां पद्मप्रभाभासुरां सर्वाभीष्टफलप्रदां गिरिसुतां वाणीरमासेविताम् मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिं श्रीविद्यां शिववामभागनिलयां ह्रीङ्कारमन्त्रोज्ज्वलां श्रीचक्राङ्कितबिन्दुमध्यवसतिं श्रीमत्सभानायिकाम् श्रीमच्छण्मुखविघ्नराजजननीं श्रीमज्जगन्मोहिनीं मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिं मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारान्निधिम् I offer my salutations to that Meenakshi Devi, who is an ocean of compassion, filled with this vast amount of compassion. This we see in verses 2 and 3. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om